Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just Thursday and Friday's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce, compounded with the fact on Thursday. Meaning Thursday the price was actually all the way down here, and then by the close of today the price is all the way back up here. So I'm assuming that any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls have definitely made a very nice bounce. But going into next week, it's more than valid to question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at, let's see, what is that? $19.75. Why is $19.75 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 1975. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I am quantifying that phrase, make progress, as 1975. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, main level going into, or I should really say kind of not the main level, but the near-term level right up here at $20.50. You can see on this pullback here when the price did try to bounce back upwards, that's where it found some resistance right there. If the price can get back above $20.50, I'm sure I'll be up, be around to update the chart at that point in time. But in my opinion, top priority right now is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about now just focusing on healthy consolidations and starting to chip away with higher bases. Because as long as higher bases begin to be built over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.